Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix an exhaust leak on the Mitsubishi Eclipse 2003. As you can see, I bought some split flanges from Amazon, some nuts, some washers, different sizes of bolts. Let's see how this works. So this is the issue that I have right now, guys. As you can see, the bolts are all rusted and shit, and we're gonna use those flanges as a press to press it back over there. Basically, you replace the bolts with the flange, and we'll see how it works. I just need to tighten these bolts over there, and I hope the leak is gonna be fixed. I'll show you after I do that how it looks like. So guys, after I tightened the bolts over there, because it was like a big leak, I used this paste to fill up the hole. The hole was more than a quarter-inch, so I put it over there. I'll show you guys how it looks like. Now I'm waiting to dry it up. I'm gonna use a heat gun, and then I'll start the car. This is how it looks like. That's the paste that I told you guys about. See, everything looks smooth. I don't see any holes in it. I'm gonna wait until it's gonna get dry, and then I'll start the car and I'll show you guys how it looks like.